Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today, a vendor has sent me a product. This is a free product. This is a paid shoppable video. And today, it's steel toe slip-on sneakers. Pretty cool, right? First thing I noticed is that they sent extra ties, which is always nice because, I mean, you know, they're the first things that go. And they sent extra shoestrings, which I love. Love that part of it. Going over the looks of the shoe themselves, they are a pretty nice looking shoe, you know, for a steel toe sneaker. That's pretty nice, actually. Got nice lines, nice cushy soles. One thing that I did read about on the sole, the midsole, is got a safety thing that you can like step on a nail and it is stab proof. It'll bend the nail down rather than go through. That's pretty awesome, pretty, you know, protective for you. It does have the steel toe, anti-smash steel toe. You can listen to it. So pretty strong steel toes. You know, but it's a good looking, more not so traditional steel toe for people who don't want to look like you know, a workman's boot, you know. But and it's supposed to be, you know, slip on. So let's see. I mean, they might be tied too tight right now, but let's adjust this camera and slip them on and see how they look. They slip on pretty easy. They look pretty good. You know what? They feel really nice on my feet. So if you're looking for a more fashionable steel toe sneaker, go out and get yourself these.